Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a Toyota Tundra SR5 in the color silver. Let's take a look. Starting up front, underneath the hood, you have the iForce 5.7-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 381 horsepower, 401 pound-foot of torque, towing capacity up to 9,200 pounds. Up front, you've got your LED headlights, custom daytime running lights, fog lights down below. We've got some aftermarket lighting effects you can see along the top of the grille there, as well as having a bug deflector installed. Onto the side, you've got your 18-inch wheels, antenna on the passenger side. We've got the iForce 5.7-liter V8 badge, and Tundra badges on your front doors. We've also got OEM running boards. Then, as you move back here, you'll find all of your rear windows come with factory tinting, and on both your rear doors, you'll find your SR5 trim level badge. In the back, currently we have the bed lamp turned on. This guide can be turned off or work automatically with opening and closing of doors. Across the bed, there's also been an aftermarket tonneau cover installed on the unit itself. Back of the unit, on the right-hand side, you've got your Tundra logo. Then down below, you have your HITCH receiver, and you can see your spare mounted underneath, as well as getting a glimpse at some of the aftermarket lighting effects on the rear end. Left-hand side, you have your 4x4 badge, and then on the handle is the backup camera. To open up your bed space, simply reach into the handle, release it, and help guide it down slowly. Taking a look inside here, previous owner has added in a little bit of extra padding here just to keep the vehicle safe. Looking inside here, aside from that, you do have tie-down hooks as well as, of course, bed rails for installation of that tonneau. To close it up, just reach down and bring your tailgate back upwards to lock it into starting position. Next, let's go take a peek at the inside. So inside, your interior upholstery is the dual tone of the black and gray cloth. You have this detailed texturing and pattern on the middle panels of the seats. In between the two sides back here, you have access to a folding down armrest / cup holder, which easily folds away to increase your seating capacity. Then, looking downwards on the seat, you'll be able to find this little handle. You can release this guy in order to adjust your cargo space, so that you can have way more floor space down below. You can do this with both sides, of course, which just gives you so much more room. It stays nice and secure in this upright position. To release it back down, you just pull on that same handle, and then it can be lowered safely downwards. On the back of your front passenger seat, you've got pouch storage. Back of the console, you've got your air vents and 12-volt adapter, and we have the Tundra rubber mats installed in this unit. Inside your door, you've got your storage spaces and power window control. Now, inside of the driver's door, power windows here for both front and back. You've got your power lock system and your window lock. Inside, you have power adjustable front seating, back, front, up, down, and lumbar support. Hood release latch on the bottom left-hand corner of your dash. On top of that, controls for the rear bed lamps, automatic headlamps, and the adjustments for the power adjustable rear windshield. Take a look at it in action. Press the button in to have it roll downwards. Pull the button up to have it roll back up. You can stop at any point along the way to suit your preference. Great feature for getting extra airflow inside of your front cab space. On top of that, you've got your headlamp leveling, your door light controls, and side mirror controls. Taking a look at your steering wheel, left-hand side controls for radio, volume, and hands-free communication. Right-hand side, up top there is a control for the dash display. Then down below is the controls for the adaptive cruise, which includes both sonar and lane departure. On top of your dash, you have this little storage space on top with this little rubberized mat in the middle. And then underneath that is your infotainment display screen. This is where you go to access much of the information about your daily driving experience. Currently, you're looking at the customizable home screen. Everything in here can also be accessed through buttons elsewhere. First off, we'll take a look at the apps. This is where you have all of your adjustments. So you've got your audio, phone, message, eco, and setup. Setup is all of your specifics, everything from general, which is things like clock, language, theme color settings, startup image, screen defaults, etc. You also have your Bluetooth, phone, audio, driver, voice, home screen, display, and vehicle information itself. If you're inside your home screen, you can also get to this through this little gear symbol in the top right corner. This is the exact same as that. Along the right-hand side, you also have your Seek, Track, and Tune Scroll, Top left is your volume control. You've got your CD player in the middle. Other audio is available through the audio option right here, of course. You have AM, FM, and satellite radio. Full Bluetooth connectivity, optional adapters for USB and aux there too. Underneath, you've got your four-ways, and then climate control center in this middle section here. So for your climate control, defrost for your rear windshield and front windshield here. To the left of this is your dial control for two-wheel, 4 high and 4 low. Left of this, you've got your trailer brake controls, traction control, and tow haul mode. Underneath, all the way at the back there, it's a little hard to see, but you can see it glowing back there. That is your heated seat for driver and front passenger. It is simply on and off buttons. One is R for right, and the other is left and L. Then you have your USB and aux, and a 12-volt adapter on the far right-hand corner there, as well as one on the far left. All throughout the middle here, we have tons of storage and cup holder space. You've got your gear shift, little storage cubby in the back. Then you have the console itself. It has another SR5 trim level badge, a little bit of a tray setup in the middle. Open it up inside. Underneath is where you've got some additional hidden storage features, including a built-in pen holder here and clip for cards. Down below you have this fitted tray. Gives you lots of different options for holding all of your little bits and bobs. You even have this little cut-through hole here so that you can feed your cord underneath of this in order to get it to the 12-volt adapter that is down below. Tons of super deep storage space all throughout inside here, which is why having this little tray up top can be so useful, just so that things don't get too cluttered inside. On the right-hand side, down below, there is a lockable glove box. Up overhead, you've got your sunglasses compartment, as well as the lighting for each side, and you've got a little card clip too. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this Toyota Tundra SR5 in the color silver. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.